We all want healthy, long, and frizz-free hair. I'm spilling all the secrets to achieving gorgeous hair. And the best part? You can start today. Wash your hair the right way. Use lukewarm water instead of hot, as hot water can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry. Condition like a pro. Choose a conditioner that suits your hair type and needs. Apply conditioner from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding the scalp. Nourish your hair. Use a hair oil like coconut, argan, or olive oil to lock in moisture. Be gentle when combing or brushing your hair. Additionally, consider using hair-nourishing ingredients like avocado, banana, honey, olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E. Hair mask for frizzy hair. My next hair secret is hair mask, which include 3 TBS yogurt, 1 TBS olive oil, 1 TBS honey. Mix them well and apply for 30 minutes. Be gentle with wet hair. Hair is most fragile when it's wet, so avoid rough towel drying or aggressive brushing. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Trims are essential. Trims are key to maintaining healthy hair. Even if you're growing your hair out, trimming every 6 to 8 weeks helps prevent split ends and keeps your hair looking fresh and healthy. Dilute your shampoo. My next hair secret is to always dilute shampoo in water before applying into scalp. In this way, shampoo easily spread and clean your scalp better. Also, this tip helps to reduce hair fall. Hair care products. If you want to purchase any hair care product like scalp massage, hair oil, silk scrunches, you can buy. I mentioned link in description. If you are new, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.